On today's program, I'm pleased to welcome Debbie Sardone, who is the founder of Cleaning for a Reason, an ISSA charity program, also owner of Speed Cleaning, and founder of Debbie Sardone Consulting. Debbie, you've got a lot going on. How are you today?
I know I do, but so do you. And thanks for having me. I'm doing great.
So today we're going to focus on Cleaning for a Reason, which is part of ISSA, and talk about how it got started and where it is right now. So let's go back in time, Debbie. Why don't you share with us how it came about?
So, Cleaning for a Reason started as a missed opportunity. I own a residential cleaning business near Dallas, Texas, called Buckets and Bows Maid Service. And I was just in business mode one day when the phone rang, and the woman on the other end of the line was just inquiring about services and what were my prices for cleaning her home. And I gave her a quote, and she quickly said, "Oh, I can't really afford that right now. I'm going through chemotherapy and radiation, and I'm not working. So maybe when I get back to work, I'll be able to hire your service." And that was how the conversation ended. And I remember, Jeff, just like it was yesterday, sitting at my desk, staring at my phone, thinking, why didn't I think to give her the cleaning for free? I could have afforded it. We have the staff. Why didn't that occur to me? So Cleaning for a Reason started as an idea from a missed opportunity. I met with my staff. We made a decision that day that anybody battling cancer that called our office and could not afford our services, we would just give it to them for free. So, of course, we did that for a few years, kind of like the best kept secret in town, because you're always afraid to let people know how generous you are in case they abuse your generosity or take advantage of you. So it's kind of the best kept secret. And I did it for years. But I was actually at a conference for ARCSI, which is a part of ISSA, and I was speaking on the topic of cause marketing and building your business around giving back and building your business around more than just cleaning good or cleaning better than your competitor. And Jeff, I was amazed at how many cleaning business owners came up to me after my talk and said, "I want to do that in my hometown. I want to give back in the same way you're giving back." How do you do that? How do you find the patients? How do you screen them? How do you keep people from taking advantage of you or overrunning your business? And that was my light bulb moment, that I could take a little company policy in Lewisville, Texas, and turn it into a nationwide nonprofit with the help of ISSA and those amazing cleaning business owners that were a part of the ARCSI community. And I could take this nationwide and help not just a few dozen families in my community, but help hundreds and ultimately thousands of families throughout the entire United States. Because as business owners in this industry, we really do want to give back. We really do want to make a difference. It's not just about building a big business and making more money. We actually love using our company to improve the lives of others, and especially those who are suffering. And so the idea was launched as a company policy, but it exploded because I'm a part of ISSA.
You were doing the program without a program. You were doing the
Yep,
cleaning without a name. Fantastic. Love the
exactly.
details. Um, what has surprised you the most about this, Debbie? As the years have gone by, you see companies, the enthusiasm, anything surprising to you?
There are several things that have surprised me. The first thing that surprised me was the overwhelming enthusiasm from the residential cleaning business community and the cleaning community at large, because most of us as entrepreneurs are just busy and overwhelmed, and we don't have time to reinvent the wheel. We don't have time to go figure out what charity needs me and how do I contribute. And when I do that once, how do I keep that going and it not just be a one-time thing, right? And then I'm back to the grind. I'm back to struggling in business. And so I was surprised that our community was hungry for a nonprofit and a way to give back that kept the spotlight on what they do for a living and how important what they do is to public health and people's lives and emotional well-being. And so I believe our community was very responsive because it's so turnkey. It's so already done for you. Cleaning for a Reason does all the heavy lifting. We make it so easy for a cleaning business to give back, be a part of this program, and make a difference. The second thing that surprised me was the unprecedented favor with the media. I never could have imagined that the media would love Cleaning for a Reason. They love interviewing local cleaning business owners that are a part of this program and putting them on the local morning shows or shout outs on the local radio networks or interviewing them now that we have podcasts and video casts and things like that. The media loves to highlight a local hometown hero who's using their business to make a difference in such a tangible way. So that second thing, Jeff, that the media would love this. I never dreamed it would help cleaning business owners actually explode the for-profit side of their business with growth and exposure and public goodwill. And that's all called cause marketing. A third thing that I couldn't have anticipated that surprised me was how it's made a difference. You wouldn't think, giving away a free house cleaning, right? Okay, you wouldn't think it would make such a difference. How it's made a difference in, number one, the lives of the business owner who really feels good and proud of something they did today and they didn't get paid for it. The homeowner who's battling cancer walks into a clean home, and for the first time since their diagnosis, as they have told us in emails and testimonials, that they actually felt back in control of their life because their home was clean. And the employees of cleaning companies, how it's touched their lives, how they feel more loyal and more interested in working for a cleaning company that gives back in this way. So it touches the lives of the patient, the employees of the cleaning company, and the owners of the cleaning companies. I could never have anticipated those results in a million years.
Good information. And I have to think tears get shed from time to time. What about your team? They do a Cleaning for a Reason project. Does that feel different than a regular job to them? Do they talk about it?
100%. 100%. All of us that have been in the cleaning business or any service business for many, many years, none of us can recall a time where an employee would come into the office and say, hey, I'd be happy to go clean a house for free. You don't have to pay me, right? They're all coming into the office going, when am I going to get a raise? When are you going to pay me more, right? That's the human nature of the employer world. But I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, testimonial after testimonial of employees and business owners who have said employees have come into the office in tears saying, that was the most rewarding thing I've ever done in my life. If you ever need to do more free cleanings than you can donate to this family, I'm happy to donate my time. Now, we don't ever encourage cleaning companies to not pay their employees, but we do love to see how it changes the life of the employee, that for maybe the first time in their life, they're willing to do something completely charitable and experience the incredible way it makes you feel when you help another person's life. And so, yeah, without a shadow of a doubt, we've seen the tears. We've seen employees hug those cancer patients leaving the home. Both are in tears. The owner is in tears, and everyone feels good about how they spent their day that day. It's incredibly rewarding.
It's making a difference. I was thinking about your story started with that one phone call, that one cleaning. Talk about growth over the years, where things are now, and what you think about the future.
It's incredible how much this nonprofit has grown since we started in 2006. And it all started at ISSA. I rolled the program out at ISSA with fear and trembling, wondering at that time, is anybody going to get it? Is anybody going to join this program? Are they going to laugh at me? Are they going to look at what I'm offering and asking them to be a part of and say, that's fine for you, but it's not fine for me, right? All those insecurities when you roll something out new, all that was quickly evaporated when member after member after member of ISSA joined Cleaning for a Reason, and it grew to over 1,200 cleaning companies throughout the entire United States and Canada who are serving cancer patients in their local community. And we track all of these cleanings. So to date, Jeff, we've served over 47,000 families who are battling cancer with the gift of free cleaning. And the total value amount of those cleanings are valued at well over $16 million that those families didn't have to pay for to get the help they needed for their mom, their sister, their daughter, their aunt, their father. And so that's the impact that Cleaning for a Reason and ISSA Charities has had. It's a tangible benefit to literally the community at large.
Debbie, that's fantastic. And what growth. It's impressive. Let's pretend here that we're talking to you're speaking to a house cleaning company, residential cleaning professional, and they've never heard about Cleaning for a Reason. What would you say to them? What should they do?
I would say don't walk, but run to our website and learn more and find out how you can get involved. Bottom line, number one, it will help your business. We've seen Cleaning for a Reason help business owners grow their business faster and bigger because of the exposure and the goodwill they create in their community. It's very simple. You can go to cleaningforareason.org. You can click on one of the tabs that says Learn More, and you can simply inquire about becoming a Cleaning for a Reason partner. You get the use of the logo, which is incredible. You can see it in the background picture behind me. That logo has done more for the homepage of my website than probably anything else on the website besides the fact that I'm a member of ISSA and ARCSI. So you get the use of the logo, you get the use of our branded materials, professionally developed branded materials, and you get to partner with us in giving to make it very easy, very simple. It's not complicated, with very little time and investment. And at the end of the day, it feels good. So it's very simple. Fill out an online inquiry form, and someone from the Cleaning for a Reason headquarters will reach out to the business owner and talk to you about what it takes to be a part of Cleaning for a Reason and start giving back in your community right away.
Well, thank you, Debbie, for those details. What about someone in the industry, like a building service contractor, that doesn't focus on house cleaning services?
I'm glad you asked, because anybody that's associated in any way with the cleaning industry can benefit by partnering with Cleaning for a Reason, whether you're a franchise, a manufacturer of cleaning products, building service contractor. You are keeping the spotlight on what you do and making sure that you've made giving a part of your cause marketing, a part of your mission and your message. And so you can go to cleaningforareason.org and you can learn more about becoming a corporate sponsor. You can click and donate online one time, or become a regular donor, an automatic donor. And then you are able to share with the public how you're making a difference and how you're being a part of helping families who are battling cancer receive the gift of home cleaning.